Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, "You will no doubt agree with me that the first duty of a government is to maintain law and order, so that the life, property, and religious belief of its subjects are fully protected by the state. If we want to make this great state of Pakistan happy and prosperous, we should wholly and solely concentrate masses and the poor." About founder of Pakistan. Born the 25th of December 1876 in Karachi. Died the 11th of September 1948 in Karachi. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a lawyer, a politician, and the founder of Pakistan, and also first Governor General of Pakistan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us.